Hello. So I did a ceramic tile the other day using a couple different blues and a couple different yellows. I will put the description of the colors in my link, and I told a very new friend that I would do this yesterday, and I didn't. But I hope to do it now and hope she enjoys, Miss Sherri. I can't promise that we will get what we got last time, but we definitely will try. These colors turned out really good the first time I did it, but you know, the first time you do something and I done already forgot how I did it, so I'm not quite sure. Got my paint thin so that it kind of like just bounces like that. So it's kind of scary for me to do that. Especially, whoops, my bad. Especially when my hands are shaky. We'll see how that part turns out. Maybe I can fix it. Maybe I cannot. I also purchased some glass eyedroppers, but I tested it on just some paint just to see, not on a painting or anything, but I don't know how I'm gonna get the paint out. I guess what I did was I ran it under some water and then I took a Q-tip to it, so it took some work, but it is what it is. All right, I'm wondering if I should fix that piece right there. Nah. Woo, paint almost went all over the floor. My bad. Yeah, tonight I'm a little happy. Saw some family, so that was good. Getting ready for the holidays. Can't beat that. I think I'm gonna do one more yellow. I really hope this turns out well. All right, Sherri, this one's for you. I dropped my saran wrap on the floor, so how many hairs are we going to have? Whoops. All right, bear with me. I'm having a war with the saran wrap. Okay. This part I always seem to like hold my breath. Okay. I really hope that this turns out well, but regardless, these colors are really nice together. Really, really. Maybe I should have made that one a little bit bigger. Well, I'm sure I'll post some more. I'm bringing you guys in a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Again, I don't know what I'm patting for. Maybe to get the air out, who knows? But it feels really cool. Still don't know about that piece, but it is very fixable at the very end, so. All right, moment of truth. I didn't put a lot of white paint on either, so we'll definitely see how this one turns out. It's like performing surgery. Not that, you know, I've ever done that. That's cool. That is cool. Here you go. Yeah. That is really neat. Love. Kind of turned out very similar to the first one I did. I like it, I like it a lot. Which way do I go? Oh. There. Pretty spiffy. I really like it. It's just kind of a little dainty flower thing, you know? So there you go. I hope you enjoyed, Sherri, and I hope you enjoyed, everyone. Here's the finished piece. Sorry about the camera earlier, but I know that there was like a blue thing that was over here. I just touched it up with this cool little utensil I have from when I went to dental administrative training a long time ago. So I kept it, and I guess I got some use out of it. But anyway, back to the video. Here it is. I like it. Catch ya later.